Welcome to Creata classes. The topic of the lecture is triangles with two medians are perpendicular to each other. This is also a special type of case. The results are very important. It will help you in directly solving the question in competitive exams. For this lecture, the case is that in a triangle, two medians are perpendicular to each other. Based on this case, we will derive a relation. That relation is very important. So moving further towards the lecture. For the relation, firstly let's take a triangle ABC. Okay, this is a triangle ABC. Let's take two medians, that is BE and CF, and these two medians are perpendicular to each other. Means this angle is 90 degree. Let's take the intersection point as point G. The angle BGC is 90 degree. If this angle is 90 degree, then angle FGE will also be equal to 90 degree. Why? Because both of these angles are vertically opposite angle, and we know vertically opposite angles are equal to each other. So we got angle FGE is also equal to 90 degree. Further, CF is a straight line. So can we say sum of both of this angle will be equal to 180 degree by linear pair axiom? So we got angle BGF is also equal to 90 degree. Similarly, angle CGE will also be equal to 90 degree. So all of these four angles are 90 degree. Got the point? Further, we know point E and point F both are midpoint of AC and AB respectively. So can we say BF is equal to AB by 2? BF is half of this complete side AB, okay, F is the midpoint. Similarly, we can say CE is equal to AC by 2, the half of this complete length AC. Further, let's assume EG as X and FG as Y. We have assumed both of these line segment as X and Y. And we also know the centroid divide the median in the ratio of 2:1. Okay, we have done this. So if this portion is Y, can we say this as 2Y and this line segment BG as 2X? The centroid had divided the median into the ratio of 2:1. If we take the ratio of BG is to GE, we got 2X by X, that is 2:1. Further, the ratio of CG by GF will be 2Y upon Y, that is 2:1. Moving further, if we take the triangle FGB and EGC, can we say both of these triangles are a right angle triangle? Angle G in both of these cases is 90 degree angle. If we apply the Pythagoras in both these triangles, we got some relation. Let's see what are those relations. Firstly, let's apply the Pythagoras in triangle FGB. We got AB by 2 whole square is equal to Y square plus 2X square. Similarly, in the triangle EGC, we got AC by 2 whole square is equal to X square plus 2Y square. So we got two relations. Let's simplify them and add them. On adding, we got 1 by 4 times AB square plus AC square is equal to 5 times X square plus Y square. Okay, we got a relation. Our relation is having AB and AC. AB and AC are the two sides of the triangle. And X and Y we have assumed as EG and FG. So somehow we have to replace this X square plus Y square with the sides of the triangle. Let's see how we do so. For that, let's take the triangle FGE. This small triangle we have taken, and this is also a right angle triangle with angle G as 90 degree angle. Let's apply the Pythagoras in this triangle. We got FE square is equal to X square plus Y square. Further, if we take the triangle ABC and the line segment FE, are you able to correlate this figure with our figure of midpoint theorem? F and E are the midpoint and FE is the line segment which is joining the midpoint of two sides of the triangle. And we know as per our midpoint theorem, the line segment joining the midpoint of two sides of a triangle is parallel to the third side and is also half of the third side. So as per midpoint theorem, can we say FE is equal to half of BC? Putting the value in the equation, we got bc by 2 whole square is equal to x square plus y square. So can we replace x square plus y square with bc by 2? Let's do so. So we got 1 by 4 times ab square plus ac square is equal to 5 times bc by 2 whole square. On simplifying and solving, we got ab square plus ac square is equal to 5 times bc square. This is the important relation. So this is the relation that we are talking about, which is ab square plus ac square is equal to 5 times bc square. AB, AC and BC are the three sides of the triangle. Which triangle? The triangle in which two medians are intersecting at 90-degree angle, or the two medians of the triangle which are perpendicular to each other. This relation is applicable only and only when two medians are perpendicular to each other. Got the point? This is very important relation. Questions are generally asked in the competitive exam based on this relation. Let's take a small question to further see the implementation of the formula. The question is, if in a triangle ABC, BE and CF are the two medians perpendicular to each other, and if AB is equal to 19 cm and AC is equal to 22 cm, then the length of BC is, we are having four choices. First is 20.5 cm, second is 19.5 cm, C is 26 cm and D is 13 cm. Let's solve the question. Firstly, let's make the figure. Let's take a random triangle ABC. Let's take the two medians as CF and BE, and these two medians are perpendicular to each other. AB is given as 19 cm and AC is given as 22 cm. Let's apply our formula, that is AB square plus AC square is equal to 5 BC square. This formula is only applicable in the case where two medians are perpendicular to each other. Here the median BE and CF are perpendicular to each other. So we got 19 square plus 22 square is equal to 5 BC square. On solving, we got BC as equal to 13 cm. Okay, that is the answer of the question. Just a simple question to show the implementation of the formula. So that's it for this lecture. Thank you very much for being with Creata classes. Bye for now.